Hello my dear champions, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. Today I am here with your final mathematics strategy for your PU2 boards mathematics. Okay, so please check. We are going to discuss all the things that we need to focus on right now to get out marks in mathematics. But that is completely possible because you know that very well. I keep reminding you all, whether it is my recorded sessions, live classes, strategy videos, I keep telling you math is the easiest subjects. Okay, for everybody who tries to score out marks in the subjects, basically getting the centums, maths is the easiest way to do that, the subject which is going to be offering you to get 80 out of 80. Okay, so let me tell you what I have planned for all of you in this particular class, and then you'll see that yes sir, it makes sense, and we're gonna follow this strategy and get a very good rank, get a very good score in our boards. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna talk about your how to score 80 out of 80 marks. This will be the first point, means what is the exact step to do that. Next, how to solve the model papers. So you all solve model papers, you might watch my sessions, you have watched other classes also, but the right way to solve the model paper is very important, because close to 60% question usually strikes from here. Okay, that's a big number, right? Next, what books, what resources to follow at this point of time? That is also very important. The resources at the last minute cannot be very vague. We got to stick to something that is very straightforward, and we can get the maximum output from there. Next is the common mistakes that can be easily avoided by all the students that you keep making. So I'm going to list out all of those for you. You can simply follow it over here. And role of me, your maths master teacher on our channel Diksha Karnataka, means what is my role going to be? What's the role of Diksha Karnataka channel to help you prepare in your all subjects, especially in mathematics by me. Okay, so I hope this is very clear, Bacha. What I'm going to do in this session is clear, right? So let's start this class on that note, and I hope you have already subscribed to our channel so far and given the like for this particular class, because this is going to be one of the most important session in your preparation. It will be a very short video but very impactful for your preparation. Now, first step, how to score 80 out of 80. Few points I've listed down over here. Strong concept clarity is very much important, because you're trying to score out marks. Even one slight glitch in the concept can can be easily cause of losing marks. Okay, so you have to have strong concept clarity, and math is easy this time, so of course you can achieve that very easily. Okay, I hope you followed my classes. If you have, you already have that understanding of all the concepts. Master 1 markers completely, because 1 marker is where all of you lose marks. Keep telling me in all the live classes, sir, I am doing well in the other 60 marks questions, but 20 marks is where I'm troubling. I'm getting somewhere 12 marks, 15, sometime very good, then 17, still losing marks in my 1 marker only. So 1 marker mastery is very important, and for that I am there to help you in that. Practice model papers under exam conditions. Okay, so whenever you're solving a model paper, we have 3 model papers, 1, 2, 3. Whenever you're solving that or any mock test you're taking, make sure that you're writing in exactly exam simulations. Next is revise formula daily. Do not take formulas lightly. Straightforward questions will be there from the formula, and you should score out in those. Next is avoiding silly mistakes. How can this happen? By good amount of practice. Okay, by going through your mistakes once again. Once you solve a mock test, once you solve a set of questions from any particular chapter, wait, go through them and see what are the mistakes that you made. Next time you will not be able to do that if you have revised your mistakes. Okay, so you can avoid silly mistakes by doing a proper revision of the paper, the practice that you keep making. Now, I will not only give you, this is the way to score 80 out of 80, sir. No, I'm going to give you real time chapter wise breakdown, means what chapter you can pick, how can you gain marks, what questions you can skip. I'll tell you all of that. But before I go on to all of that, let me introduce you to KC30. 90 is already done. KC30 batch for KCET examination. I know all of you are writing KCET examination this year. Yes, and you want to get good rank. Yes, you want to get CS in top colleges. Yes, it's not late, it's still possible if you take a 30-day after your boards comprehensive crash course, which helps you get the structure right, get the materials right, get the teachers right, and experienced team behind this course who has worked with Diksha for more than 27 years have created this particular course for all of you. And it has, what are the offerings? 30 days live online crash course, KCET previous year question papers, PYQs with solution videos, you'll get that. Then you have complete syllabus revision, PU1 with PU2. PU1 there was 20 approximately questions last year. Usually it was less in the previous years if you check, but last year they increased the number of questions, so PU1 is equally important. We got to take care of that as well. PU2 will be of course covered. Chapter wise, basically the whole syllabus will be covered for PU1 and PU2 together. Okay, chapter wise KCET PYQ in test format. So not only you get solutions, you get discussion of PYQs, you also get to attempt these PYQs as a live test. What can be better than this, beta? That you can actually attempt the PYQs as a live test, okay? And 10 full length KCET mock test will also be available. The crash course begin on 21st March, and the offer price is at right now 2499, only valid till 25th Feb, because something big is coming right now on our platform. Stay tuned for that, and that's the reason this is going at the offer price of 2499. It'll increase later, okay? Now, so this, as I mentioned, this is 10 full-length KCET mock tests across all the subjects. Now, if you want to solve many more mocks, for example, 35 mock tests, go ahead, you can add this with ABHYAS test series, which comes with 35 mock tests in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. You can access this at a price of 1499. If you have to add this price into this, it will become 3999. That much is the price for combined course that is called as KC30 Plus. You can go ahead, check it out in the description of this particular video. You'll find the link for both of these. Any doubt, any discussion you need regarding the KC30, you can ask me in the comment section. And I have not forgotten about the promise that I made to all of you. I'll give you a chapter-wise breakdown. Yes, so this is chapter-wise breakdown. So if you want, what chapters to focus, sir? What to do exactly, and what questions I can avoid, difficulty level. So you can see I have listed the chapters over here. Easy categories, moderate, and the last one is your difficult or challenging ones. So in the easy category, you can see the chapters are very simple ones. R&F, ITF, matrix determinant, vectors, 3D, linear programming, and AOI. These are 100% coverage chapter. Means you have to cover this chapter 100%. Means you cannot lose marks over here, because even in AOI the simple questions will be coming. You have to score 5 out of 5 there. Means these are the chapters from where you have to get out of marks. And the total, if you check, 62 marks is there. Of course there will be options provided in between, so you cannot score 62 over here, but you're getting my point, right? These 6, it's not actually 6, it's going to be 6 plus 2, so total 8 chapters are listed over here. These 8 chapters has to be prepared in a way that you don't lose marks over here. You cannot lose marks over here. Very easy, you got to score out of out. Once you're done with that, means you're on the right track to move on to the next level. Moderate category, very simple ones only. So because they are vast in nature and they have high weightage, I have included out over here in the case of moderate, continuity and differentiability. Alongside, some questions are challenging in AOD, that's why I've taken over here AOD and probability. Few students I know you find probability difficult. I was also one of them when I was a student. Okay, so if you're finding it difficult, it's okay. If you're finding it easy, good for you. Alright, so if you add these, it becomes 33 marks in total. Okay, so if you are doing at least here preparation of this chapter 2 close to 90% also, you are still on the track to get out of out. Means over here you will not lose any marks. Here you can lose 10% of your marks, but you have to score even 90% of these marks. Once you're there, check. Again, there will be options provided, so you can't score 33 actually over here. Next is the challenging ones, which is 5 marker question in differential equations, or the LDE, finding integrating factor, finding the integral particular solution. All those cases are there. So some of you find it difficult, so challenging one there, and integrals. So even if you do 60 to 70% of these 2 chapters, you will still get out of out in maths beta. It's possible. So first 8 chapters you have to finish 100%, cannot make mistake in these, and you have to finish 90% of these. They are very simple chapters. One question might be difficult in AOD and C and D. Apart from that, Here 77, if you can score 70% across over here, that is total 36 marks, you get to score 80, of course with the internal options provided. If you add all the marks, it becomes 120 actually, but there are options provided. No, you don't have to answer all the questions, because your maximum score is 80 only. You're aiming to get 80 out of 80. Okay, so I hope the chapter list is clear. I hope how can you get, what can you target in the chapters, very much clear. Question wise analysis I keep giving you when you come and watch my classes. Next, move on. How to solve model paper 1, 2, 3. Very important, as I mentioned already, exam simulations. Any paper, any mock test you're solving, solve it in exam conditions. Okay. Now, before moving on to model paper number 2, analyze your first paper that you solved, paper number 1, and see what mistakes you made. Note down and correct the mistakes, and then resolve and work on the weak areas. This is how you should solve the model papers. You don't value it as much as it should have been. It's a very important papers. Your board gives it, and the questions might be repeated. So please maintain a decent respect for these papers and solve in this format. MP1 you solve first, analyze, then list down your mistakes, work on them, then you solve MP2. Okay, next, what resources to follow? Very simple. Start away. NCERT is a must, sir. Can we solve whole NCERT right now? Of course not. Then we have to solve the difficult sums over here and solve examples with derivations, though cannot be skipped. Okay. Now in mathematics question bank, again I have helped you figure out and pick the questions from there. 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, all of that is already done. So yes, we'll again be coming up more and more things to help you out. Don't worry, we'll go to the DK role later. But question bank is also something you can trust on. Then comes your PYQs, very important. If you want to know where you can solve the PYQs, remember on DK, we have solved it in a series called as Brahmastra. Okay, we have solved it in a Brahmastra series. You can go and check it out. It was the most important questions and PYQs for every chapter we have solved subject wise. Next is model papers. As I mentioned, one of the resources, model paper 1, 2, 3 is there. You have to solve all the 3, very important. And of course, we are there to support you in all the way possible. One of the support is here for PYQs, Brahmastra. You can use personal formula list. You can use here NCERT summary for this. You can use NCERT summary to get access to all the formulas that is relevant to your syllabus. Now, common mistakes that you all keep making. I know your time is important, that's why I'm going through these things very quickly. We'll get to see the common mistakes that you keep making. Not giving importance to the formulas. What happens, sir? Formula is very important. I always prioritize formulas. No, you don't. What you do is you read through them and then you feel, yeah, sir, I know this much. This formula I don't know. It's okay. Don't have to worry about formulas anymore. You go to the examination hall and then you start recalling it. It takes you 2 minutes to write one formula. Still you're confused. That's not how to prepare it. When I say remember formulas means you should be right like this. When the question comes, what is determinant of adjoint A? Answer directly determinant of A power n minus 1 power 2. Means formula should not be like that. I'll write the answer and be confused. You have to get the formula like this in the examination hall. You should be able to recall the formulas very at that instant. Okay, so give importance to formulas. They are very crucial for your out score if you have the ambition to score that much. Solving mock test without time limit. We do that. We solve 4 hours, 3.5 hours to solve a mock test paper. You can't do it. You have to finish it in 2 hours, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Then only you can revise it again. Okay. Ignoring low weighted chapters. We are looking to score out of out. How can we ignore low weighted chapters? We cannot do that. Okay. We have to give time for those as well. Ignoring model question papers. Yes, many of you do that. I'll solve 1 paper, sir. I'll solve 2 papers, sir. No. You have to solve all the 3 and properly in exam conditions. Next, keeping difficult chapters for the last. Integration, I'll solve it at the last, sir. No, don't do that. It's very important to prioritize the high weighted chapters and difficult ones before. Don't start. If you start things late, which is difficult, you'll lose confidence. Okay, so start difficult chapters if you want to start right away. Okay, don't keep it for the last. And this is the most important and most crucial one. Improper sleep cycle. Tell me in the comment section how many of you are sleeping 3 hours, 4 hours a day and still struggling. Of course you'll struggle. If you don't sleep properly, you'll struggle. Of course your mind will not be that fresh to be used, to be optimized in the best way. So it's very important to work on the sleep cycle. Make a habit of sleeping properly. Okay, not sleep in the afternoon, because you have to write examination during that time. You cannot be, lazy after 12 o'clock. Okay, you're finishing your paper, you cannot go slow over there, right? Can you? No. So maintain a proper sleep cycle and do not sleep, during that time of 12 o'clock, 12:30. Don't take the rest at that point of time. Next, role of Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Of course, that is also there. We have started for all of you. Second PUC Endgame series, already classes have begun. So you must have seen that. Will help you in all the things. 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker, subject wise. And what are subjects we're covering? Physics, chemistry, biology, maths, Kannada, computer science, English. All things are sorted. Just follow us properly. Teachers are very experienced over here. They're going to help you score really good marks better. So please follow the instructions given to you. Keep calm, ask your questions to us, get the stress level down, and completely omit it with sharing your queries, sharing your concerns to us. Let us resolve all the concerns that you have, and we are here to support you all the way till the exam. So we launched a 10-day challenge, right? This endgame challenge is 10 days. Again, we'll come back for your supporting subject-wise, topic-wise when you have that particular exam as per the schedule given by your boards. Okay, so this is the end of this particular session where I talked about the strategy which will work the best to get 80 out of 80. If you are aiming to, listen to me, better, this will actually help you if you follow it properly. Okay, if you have something that you want to add or something that that I missed, simply let me know in the comment section. That is all for this class. That is all for this session. I'm going to see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.